So I just got home from work and I got a notification that I have something waiting in the mailbox for me. Oh! Need a knife. Where's a knife? Where's my good knife? Oh, good knife. It's a YouTooz. Maybe I could put you here. I can. This is what we see. It's Karl Jacobs. That's so cool. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Hey, look. All right, so it's Karl Jacobs. All right, look, I'm even wearing the Beast shirt. Okay. Oh, look at that. Yo, that's cool. Look at it. You're supposed to keep the packaging for this kind of thing. They're kind of like, they're like those like Funko Pop things, but like better. It's so cool. It's Karl Jacobs. That's so neat. Dude, if he ever sells this hoodie, I'll buy it. I promise, I will buy that hoodie. That is so cool. Look. I put him right here. Go put him right here. There you go. So on the box, you get Karl Jacobs. On the side, it says HONK. On the back, Karl Jacobs. And when you open it up, it says HONK. Because his thing is what the honk. There's a claim? It's like a thing you can claim. What is that? What is that? Scratch here. What is this? Oh, it's like a scratch off. Maybe it's like a coupon code. Does anyone know? What is this? What does this mean? Anyway, he's just for looking at. Karl, you want to hire me. You want to refer me to Mr. Beast. No, Karl, you want to hire me. You want to give me a job. Yes, you want to give me a job. See? Yes, you want to give me a job, Karl Jacobs.